What can Burp do? Besides the well-known HTTP proxy functionality of Burp, it has lots of extra features and goodies that make our lives easier. And it has a plugin store, so we can add extra functionality with just a few clicks. To go over just a few Burp highlights, it can intercept both HTTP and HTTPS requests and responses. Burp records HTTP requests and keeps them organized. We can restrict that to a certain scope to avoid clutter and do other things like filtering or searching. Burp can automate certain tasks. It can send repetitive requests while mutating certain or all parts of a HTTP request with custom or generated payloads. Burp can replay requests. Suppose we have a flow consisting of several API calls which need to be called in a certain order, but we don't want to go through the UI every single time. We can use this functionality to achieve just that. Burp also helps in analyzing token randomness or entropy. It also has the tools to do several kinds of encodings commonly used on the internet: URL, HTML, base64, and a few others. It can do word-by-word or byte-by-byte comparison. This is very useful to quickly identify why your repeated requests do not work. Burp supports extensions and has a built-in store. And it also has other small features like exporting a request as a curl command, sending a target request from a functionality to other functionalities, on-the-fly server response modification, it can intercept WebSockets, and many more.